In this video, we're going to take a look at Money for Everyone, or MFE Pro, from Vic Gardy and Tom E. This launches today, June 9th, 2021, over on Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you inside the members area, show you the training, talk a little bit about the strategy, about what this headline is all about. We found an error inside a multi-billion-dollar company. It pays us $50 a day passively. Here's how you can duplicate our results within 23 minutes. P.S. No one else is doing this. Is this product misleading? Straight off the bat, this headline is misleading 1,000%. Then when you scroll down here and you actually start reading some of these bullet points, unique, never seen before, free traffic source, no one else is doing this, 100% unique and rewarding method, scalable to the moon and back. Of course, that's all relative, and I'm not really sure what that bullet means, but let's focus on this unique, never seen before, free traffic source. No one else is doing this. 100% unique and rewarding method. Of course, inside the members area, they're going to take you through the method. When you get down here, there's a full method overview, and then they walk you through the full system, which is 12 videos to include the introduction and video 2. Video 2, what you see right here, is a squeeze page that they're going to give you. This is where you're going to take your free traffic and turn it into leads. And this is where I want to jump into the fact that this bullet, unique, never seen before, free traffic source, no one else is doing this, 100% unique and rewarding method. This is a video from my channel 6 months ago, December 16th, 2020, Money for Everyone review. Money for Everyone, untapped, massive money hack, 61-year-old newbie, makes all this money, never seen before, traffic strategy. As you can see right here, auto monetizes reading. This is the same product that they're re-releasing 6 months later, and they're using the exact same blind copy, not telling you what the method is until you get inside the members area. And then when you do get inside the members area, you're going to see here video number 2 inside of the old members area. Again, December 16th, 2020, my review video of Money for Everyone. This is inside the Money for Everyone Pro. Video 2 is the exact same video. Again, unique, never seen before method, free traffic source. No one else is doing this, 100% unique and rewarding method. They sold this method 6 months ago. If you scroll down to the still have questions or the FAQ, they have a few points here. Does MFE Pro really work? How quickly can I start earning? If MFE Pro really is that great, why don't you just keep it for yourself? Because it currently isn't saturated, the market is wide open. That being said, we will shut down access to new users once we see any signs of saturation. So, what are they talking about, and why are they saying that they would shut this down, but they're re-releasing it? Well, let's go back inside the members area and continue on to video 3. And as you can see here, video 3 is going to show you the multi-billion-dollar company that's going to be your free traffic source. It's going to be Amazon, and it's going to be you publishing Amazon books on KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can give away free books on Kindle e-reader. And this is definitely not a new strategy. Again, they sold this strategy 6 months ago. And in the review video here, which I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner, you can click here, you can watch this, and you can really see why this grinds my gears. Because, as the title here, this is an Amazon scam where marketers give you the idea that somehow this is a loophole or an error that Amazon has made, when in reality, Amazon gives this feature to their publishers, people that like to publish or people that are in the business of publishing. For example, I am into self-publishing myself. You can hear more about that in that review video that I did, where I talk about the strategy and how I used it, started in 2017. Now, in this training, you will learn how this is a valid traffic strategy. But the problem here is the hype on the sales page and the fact that they're not telling you on the sales page what it is. And then when you get inside here, you start going through the videos. In video 3, they show you Amazon and how you can create books. And then when you get to video number 4, they actually walk you through how to set up and put your books on Amazon. Then when they get to video 7, this is where the real problem comes in. This is where they start telling you how to get your content, and they give you access to an online app that rips the transcripts from YouTube videos. As you can see here, free converter of speech to text online, click or drag to upload videos. So inside the training, when you get to video number 7, they're going to tell you that now you don't have to create any content to upload these free books to get all this free traffic on Amazon. You just simply rip a transcript from a YouTube video and upload it to Amazon. Which brings me to the point, inside of Amazon and KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing, you have to understand the legal and the content guidelines that you have to follow as a bookseller. And yes, when you upload books to your Amazon account, even free books that you're giving away, you are considered a bookseller. And if you want to keep your account, you have to follow these guidelines. We'll start here with illegal or infringing content. We take violations of laws and proprietary rights very seriously. It is the responsibility of authors, publishers, and selling partners to ensure their content doesn't violate laws or copyright, trademark, privacy, publicity, or other rights. We will not accept content under copyright that is freely available on the web unless it's provided by the owner of the copyright. Again, in the training, they're telling you to go to YouTube, use this free converter of speech to text online to rip videos, to create transcripts like the book that you see here. Vitcardi presents ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. How to make full-time income with ClickBank Marketplace on complete autopilot, complete newbie friendly. Illegal or infringing content, poor customer experience. Books for sale on Amazon should provide a positive customer experience. We do not allow descriptive content meant to mislead customers or that don't accurately represent the content of the book. We also do not allow content that's typically disappointing to customers, including the examples provided in the Guide to Kindle Content Quality. Take a look at this guide. Book formatting, guide to content quality, identifying errors, reviewing your books, metadata, wrong content, duplicated content, disappointing content. Content that these are marketed as a description or redirects readers to an external source to obtain the full content. Content that is freely available on the web, unless you are the copyright owner of that content or the content is the public domain. Content is too short. Content that is poorly translated. Content that does not provide an enjoyable reading experience. Bonus content that appears before a book's primary content. Content that is excessively reused, recycled, or repeated within or across books. Again, as you can see, there's 13 videos here. They walk you through this process of creating books like you see here by ripping content from YouTube, highlighting what they call an error inside of a multi-billion-dollar company, which is Amazon. And they tell you that no one else is doing this. Just like they said here, unique, never seen before, free traffic source. No one else is doing this, 100% unique and rewarding method. I personally have been using this strategy to build overall brands, publishing real books for real people that they'll enjoy of my own original content, as well as I did this review, link in the cards, watch this review, understand exactly what's going on in Money for Everyone. Avoid this Amazon scammy marketing tactic where they're trying to resell you again. Money for Everyone is Money for Everyone Pro. Avoid this, but if you don't, make sure you exit off the screen and get your $2 discount if you want to try this method and don't heed my warning here to not pick up this product. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.